What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Eluda Racing. So as you can see, I'm just doing a quick walk around video, update video on the project golf cart, and I just wanted to show you what I've done and then talk a little bit about what I'm going to be doing next. The golf cart's getting pretty well finished, and I just wanted to do a quick update. I've had a lot of people asking about it and everything like that, so I just wanted to do a quick walk around and show you some of the stuff that I've done. Last time I did a video, I did the seats, I did the lights, and then I think we went ahead and I showed you guys the tires. I did the rims and tires. Now I have a lift kit for this, and that's the last thing that I'm going to be doing to the cart unless I decide to wrap it or get it painted. So I do have a lift kit that I'm going to be installing, and that's going to be the next video I'm going to be posting, and that will be a full detailed instructional video of the process required to do that. As of yesterday, I went ahead and I did the back seats, wrapped these myself. Real happy with the way they turned out. I'm not a upholstery guy by any means, but I'm real proud of the way they turned out. I think they look real good, and with a little bit of time and a little bit of effort, you guys can do this too. It's something that you don't have to send out and pay a lot of money. You can get the material really cheap online, and it's something that you can do at home yourself. So don't be real quick to send stuff out and pay somebody to do something that you can do yourself just as good, if not better, because a lot of these shops, they're just about money. They don't care. They don't have a lot of pride in their workmanship, so you got to really watch out where you go. I'm not saying that about all shops, but just be careful. If you aren't interested in doing it yourself and you're going to send it out somewhere, do your due diligence and look at reviews and stuff like that, because you don't want to spend your hard-earned money and not be happy with the outcome of the final product. So yeah, this is just a real short video. I mean, I just wanted to show you guys an update of everything. I was going to do a video of the wrapping of the seats, but honestly, I'm not good enough at it to really explain the proper method of doing it, and I would rather not do a video and tell you guys how to do something wrong, and when there's so many people out there that are experts at it, and can show you the proper way with the proper terminology and stuff like that. I will say this, that these back seats, if you were to buy the vinyl, you could do this yourself for less than $50. That vinyl is really cheap, and you can get the vinyl. I used a standard, I use an electric staple gun, which you can buy those at any store for under 50 bucks. And then you've acquired a tool and you've learned a trade, or at least done a project that you can be proud of. So yeah, like I said, turn on your please subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications, because next we'll be doing the lift kit. Now I went with a 3-inch lift kit rather than the 6-inch lift kit. I wanted to go more of a low profile, tucked look, but the way this is right now is without the lift kit. If I put adults on the back tires will slightly rub. Now you can put helper springs on there to stiffen it up and prevent that from happening, but then the ride on these is just absolute garbage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with the 3-inch lift, which is going to give a slight lift to it, prevent any rubbing, and it will also give you the ability to, if I want to go out on the lake or whatever in the wintertime, I can do a little bit of off-road type riding with it, rather than just strictly on the street. Now 99% of the time it's going to be on asphalt or the driveway or whatever, but it'll give me the ability to do that. So please like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. If you have any suggestions, I've been getting a lot of people with suggestions, and I'm going to start working on that next. I've gotten some requests for some videos with the Maverick, as far as for a boost gauge install, where to put the tap for the boost vacuum tap from Elba Racing. So I'm going to work on a video on that, and I also have a request for some tuning things, and we're going to be working on some other stuff as well. The rear box, I've still got the rock sliders to put on, so got a lot of stuff in the works coming up, and just trying to stay busy and work on these projects as fast as I can without compromising the quality and stuff like that. So please bear with me, check back, turn on your notifications, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.